gorgeous people, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat. Today I'm giving you another review video. Now another review. Yes honey, I am trying out the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. You guys have seen the the hype about it on the line, on the Instagram, on the Twitter. So I decided, why don't I bring it to the YouTube. Hi guys, I love that I actually really enjoy filming nowadays. Like, I feel so happy. Today I am going to be doing a review of the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. You've seen that she has been hyping it a bit, saying that it's gonna save our lives, saying that it's gonna change the world. I'm here today to actually find out if this is actually savior material. I got the butterscotch shade, which is 28G. G is golden undertone. She did have really deep shades. It's supposed to be high coverage and creamy with intense pigmentation that camouflages and conceals the skin. I haven't opened it yet. I did swatch it at Sephora to know what my perfect shade is, but I have not used it on my face yet, so let's just get into it. I would be priming my face because I have to apply foundation first. I'm using the Younger Beauty Primer. It's time for the foundation. Y'all know I'm trying to find like the perfect test concealer, so like for under eyes, especially me that I'm still trying to know what my actual shade is. Let's see how this concealer goes. When I was swatching it at Sephora, it was pretty thick, so I want to see how it will feel under my eyes. It's time to open up the concealer. Packaging is really nice. It does look like every other Huda Beauty packaging. Okay, so now let's compare. So my current favorite concealer is the Cover FX Power Play concealer in the shade Deep G30, I believe. G Deep 3. Sorry, G Deep 3. Now let's try it. Let's see the packaging. Packaging is pretty cute. It's plasticky rubber. Plastic rubber plastic, I don't know. And then it has a metallic applicator that is cold. Anything cold tightens up the skin, so I believe that this is also acting as a healer and a concealer. Like, it's really cold under my eyes, like it's like freezing, and that's nice. That's really nice. Okay, so let's start. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out a bit, and then I'm going to put it right under my eyes. This applicator is not very good to apply directly to the skin. I have to literally keep squeezing it out. And the concealer smells exactly like the foundation, so if you like the smell of the foundation, then... But I also really like the smell of the foundation, so I like this one. But I beg, you know when you're just tired of a particular smell? Yeah. So let's blend it in. Let's see how it blends. Going in with my beauty blender. Okay, it dries pretty fast, so you have to blend out quite fast. But it's really thick, you know, like not really thick like it's heavy. It blends not as easily as the Cover FX one, and it's very sticky too. I can feel like my beauty blender sticking, and as I raise it up, it's like not as easy. So if you're a makeup artist and you want a highlighter that is going to stay and, you know, highlight really well on your client, that you not be reapplying, this is the concealer. So I believe that a little actually goes a long way, because I think I put too much. That's why it's giving me kickback. And I like how highlighted I look. But even if it dries down, it actually blends. Can you see my nose? Like, it's just there. It's where I put it. So it's like, if you want to move me, you gotta work harder. It has dried really matte on my face, but it's not that drying matte. It's matte, but it's not super dry. I'm also going around with my foundation to blend out the edges of the concealer. Okay, I feel like we look presentable to the public. So let me set my face. I really like how it looks now that I've set it. So by the way, I've been mixing my powders, my setting powder. I mixed the Laura Mercier with my Maybelline finishing powder, that red one that I used to use before, because I noticed that the red one makes me too red and the Laura Mercier makes me too yellow, and that has always been my story. I'm that shade that they always forget. Let me get my eyes did finished, and then I'm gonna do my skin. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not really sure about this lipstick, but just let me manage it because it's fine. It's just that I don't know if it's fine with the eye. Thank you guys so much for watching. My final review on the concealer is that this concealer is majorly for people who are on the go and need something to just apply quickly and just go. They don't need setting powder, they don't need any extra serum. Actually a very good concealer that I would actually love to keep. It's a very good concealer that I should have. The color payoff was really nice. The pigmentation was on fleek, which means it was strong, it was true to color. It's thicker in consistency, but that thickness I feel like is perfect to blur or to give your skin a nice blurred finish. From 1 to 10, I would give it a strong 7. The reason why I'm saying 7 is because the blendation of it all is where I was kind of having issue. It's not the easiest to blend. The Cover FX does blend semi-share. If you guys remember the review, if you've not seen the review of my Cover FX video, please check the description box below, and also just click video that Nike posted last. Okay, that will not work, but if you go to the video before this one, then you definitely see the review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, on everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you later. Peace.